In the battle of the top flagship smartphones, durability is just as important as performance. If you're investing in a premium device, you want it to last. Today, we put two of the most powerful smartphones, Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra and iPhone 16 Pro Max, through a rigorous drop test. From their titanium builds to their cutting-edge glass protection, which one truly withstands the test of gravity? Let's find out. Build and protection. The Galaxy S25 Ultra has made some impressive durability improvements this year. It features Corning's Gorilla Armor 2, designed to enhance resistance against drops and scratches. Samsung has also upgraded the titanium frame to Grade 5 titanium, making it significantly stronger than the Grade 2 titanium used in last year's model. Not only that, but the phone is 9 grams lighter than its predecessor, reducing impact force during falls. Meanwhile, Apple claims that the iPhone 16 Pro Max's ceramic shield is twice as strong as any smartphone glass. It also maintains a premium Grade 5 titanium frame, now sitting flush with the display for improved impact resistance. On paper, both phones appear to be tough, but let's see how they perform in real-world drop scenarios. Round 1. The backdrop test. Drop test 1. Flat backdrop. We start with a backdrop test from waist height to simulate an accidental slip. iPhone 16 Pro Max. The rear glass shatters immediately, with cracks spreading across the back panel. A hairline crack also forms on the telephoto lens housing, but the camera remains functional. Galaxy S25 Ultra. The back glass remains intact, suffering only minor scuffs along the metal frame and camera module. Winner. Galaxy S25 Ultra. Samsung's Gorilla Armor 2 holds up better than Apple's ceramic shield in this test. Round 2. Corner drop test. Drop test 2. Corner drop. Smartphones often land on their corners, a spot where damage is most likely to start spreading. We drop both phones from head height onto solid concrete. iPhone 16 Pro Max. The titanium frame takes most of the impact, resulting in minor scuffs but no major damage. Galaxy S25 Ultra. The rounded corners help distribute the impact more evenly, and we witness a small but noticeable spark on impact. However, there's no significant damage aside from light scratches. Winner. Tie. Both phones handle the corner drop well, with only superficial damage. Round 3. Face drop test. Drop test 3. Screen first drop. A cracked screen is every smartphone owner's nightmare. We drop both devices from chest height onto pavement. iPhone 16 Pro Max. The screen shatters badly, with cracks running across the entire display. The damage makes it dangerous to swipe without a screen protector. Galaxy S25 Ultra. The screen survives with only minor cracks concentrated in the top left corner. The touch functionality remains flawless. Winner. Galaxy S25 Ultra. Samsung's Gorilla Armor 2 outperforms Apple's ceramic shield, preventing catastrophic shattering. Bonus round. Extreme durability test. We take both devices to the next level, dropping them repeatedly onto a steel surface to simulate extreme impacts. Galaxy S25 Ultra. It withstands multiple drops before the rear glass finally cracks on the 9th drop. However, the device remains fully functional until the final test. iPhone 16 Pro Max. The phone locks up multiple times after impact, requiring a restart. A permanent white strip appears on the display, and repeated impacts degrade performance. The biggest failure comes when the Galaxy S25 Ultra's selfie camera stops working after repeated falls. Face unlock is disabled, and the front camera is unresponsive. Final verdict. Which phone wins? Durability scorecard. Backdrop. Galaxy S25 Ultra wins. No cracks, unlike iPhone. Corner drop. Tie. Both phones show minor damage. Face drop. Galaxy S25 Ultra wins. Fewer cracks than iPhone. Extreme impact test. iPhone experiences software issues. Galaxy loses selfie camera. Despite losing its selfie camera, the Galaxy S25 Ultra comes out as the overall winner. Samsung's Gorilla Armor 2 glass and improved titanium frame make it the more drop-resistant phone compared to Apple's ceramic shield. So, if durability is a top priority for you, the Galaxy S25 Ultra is your best bet. What do you think of these results? Let us know in the comments. Rock it!